What's up friends, it's Mike again, and glad to have you guys back for another vlogish video where I improve my studio. Cause if you haven't noticed yet, this room that I've been talking about is very echoey. And I hate it. I hate it when I record, and it kind of ruins my whole footage when my audio is just like hello, like all the time. So with that being said, I decided to reach out to ArrowZoom, and they sent me a lot of acoustic foam things to help with my echo problem. Let's put it on a chair. So acoustic foam should help reduce that echo when I put it on the wall, because there's a lot of surfaces in this room. So that's actually a closet in there, and when I do open it up, the sound is a bit better. It's not as echoey, but it's not that aesthetically pleasing to look at when I film. And yeah, I can already hear less echo. And that door is the other problem as well, because the sound bounces within that area. My whole set is falling apart. But anyways, this door is a problem. But when I open it, the sound is a lot better. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it a lot less echoey? But the problem is that Claire actually works downstairs, and when she does her talking about clients and stuff, I can actually hear it and it gets into my audio. So I do need to close the door. And yeah. So I guess this whole setup thing is a common problem for a lot of people who are recording in the room, like musicians, people who record video, or any kind of creative work that involves audio. So first of all, full disclosure, ArrowZoom did send these to me free of charge to review, but I don't get paid to say anything good or bad about it. So today I'm just gonna reveal my results to see if this is the right product for both me and you. So getting right into it, they did send this double-sided tape for me to stick on the back of these to put on the wall instead of spraying the whole thing with adhesive and potentially ruining my walls. So that's a nice touch, but we'll see how sticky it is and if it can hold these panels. Especially the bigger ones. Because this is the 25 by 25 and this is the 50 by 50. I think this is gonna be a lot more useful so I don't have to tape as much. And this covers a lot more area. But anyways, enough talking, let's put this on my wall. Okay, so first I'm gonna try to do this corner, and I got a leveler over here. I'm gonna try to fill this corner up as much with the bigger ones, and hopefully it looks good, because that's my main concern when putting these things on. And I don't know if I can stick on and put them back on with the dual-sided tape, so let's do it. Voila! It looks like it has stuck on. So it's gonna look like that. It's not straight. So actually I think I'm gonna stick all the stickies on the bigger pads first, because they only gave me a certain amount of these stickies or dual-sided tape, and I'm afraid I'm gonna run out. So better to prioritize the big ones. So the hard part is to get this looking good, because it's kind of all over the place right now. Whatever, I'm just gonna stick it everywhere, because no one's gonna see this corner. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. So I just covered the entire door and then put some on the side. Okay, so right now I'm inside the door area, and the echo is a lot better than before, I think. But let's cover the rest of the areas first and then do a test. Oh my gosh, look at this mess. I gotta clean that up later. So I only have 6 of these left, so I really gotta space them out. Initially I thought I was gonna put them behind that wall with the monitor and stuff, but now I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. The spacing is a bit wrong, it's a bit off. I notice it. I don't know if you notice it. If there's a better way to do this, let me know down in the comments below, because thank God these double-sided tape is easy to work with, so that I can take it off and put it back on without hurting my wall. Sounds so painful. Okay, so When I speak into this corner, it definitely sounds a bit better, but there's still some echo. Like, I don't know how much of this kind of stuff do you need to make this whole room non-echo. Or maybe I'm just putting it in the wrong place, I don't know. Because I still haven't done anything on the back wall yet, but I only have one of this. I actually have this much stuff left, so I'm gonna run out of the double-sided tape here. I should have put only 2 on each of the smaller ones, but yeah, that's advice for you. Let's keep going. Alexa, turn office on. Do you guys see that? That is sick! Let's get closer up in there, okay? The backlighting is really nice on the pyramid back panels. It gives it so much more depth and effect. Wow, maybe this is a reason to get it, guys. I did not anticipate this effect over here. Wow, look at those things on the wall. It's just shadows of the pyramids. So far so good. So far so good. Alexa, turn on focus mode. Okay, white light. Turn on aura mode. Ooh, snap. Blue and green. That's sick. Okay, I need some lighting over here. Got my little light from Aperture that I got from Vid Summit. That's not bad, but RGB would be a lot better. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. So, initial impression is that this thing ain't straight. No matter how hard I try. People might not notice, but I notice. I might fix it in the future, but I've been pulling off the double-sided tape for such a long time that I don't know if I should anymore, because it's kind of breaking on the back, and I should just make up my mind. Anyways, still gotta put more on. I actually took off a lot from that door, like the bigger panel, so that it would fit on here, because I'm not gonna see what's over there anyways. As I said before, I'm gonna put all the smaller ones over here and here on that corner and just stuff it. But the thing is that I ran out of the double-sided tape already. Haha, here's some double-sided tape. It's not as sticky as the other one for sure though. Oh no, it doesn't even stick. This sucks. I would not recommend using crappy double-sided tape.
12 seconds later.
Ooh, I found 5 more. I'm just gonna use 1 per piece. Let's see if that will work. Gonna stick it right in the middle. So even 1 piece would stick. So yeah, you gotta be conservative. It works. Hello, hello. Okay, good enough. Anyways, cleanup time. That's actually pretty cool. To be honest, that went better in my mind than it did. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick them up now. Okay, so the big question here is there any echo? When I'm speaking this corner, honestly, yes, I can still hear some. And I don't know if it's because how I place the stuff. I mean, they give me a lot of foam and I tried to put it in as many places as I could. And right now I'm still hearing some. I need maybe more foam, because especially in this corner when I patted it all, the sound was actually pretty darn good. So maybe I need to cover the closet doors more, or maybe I need to cover this camera space more. I only put like 4 pads over here, and that's why the sounds are bouncing all around. Still, maybe I should have padded this side more, or a bit more, there's just that corner. But yeah, maybe I should have put more on that side and worked on this space more. But I gotta say, that wall looks sick. I really like the look of it, but there's still a bit of echo. I just need more, period. But these guys, ArrowZoom, have a lot of different colors and different shapes. So if you do want to check them out, they did give me a discount code for you to use. And yeah, I think those are gonna be on my wall permanently because they look so damn good. If only there's not that much echo left. Actually, you guys let me know. I'm gonna do the same test right now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is me talking, testing, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna play what I had before. So, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the initial setup. Is my voice echoey? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is me talking, testing, 1, 2, 3. And for me, with my ears, acoustically, I can still hear some. But guys, I need your help. So comment below and let me know what you guys think. And I just want to thank ArrowZoom for sending these out. I really appreciate it. I just kind of need more, please. That double-sided tape was really useful. I think the main hurdle of people actually getting this is the application and making it look good, because that was a fear of mine, and ruining my walls, because people usually use adhesive sprays and then they stick it on and you won't be able to take it off, and that was a huge thing for me. So it's actually really nice that you can put it on and take it off without damaging your walls, because if you do look at what I did, it's not perfectly aligned, because like you do have to turn them around to see which part fits the best, because they might not be the same in height or not aligned in the same horizontal and vertical lines, so you gotta play with that a bit. But I'm happy with that wall right there. It looks good. And that's all I gotta say. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. It is very different for me to just go and film. So yeah, I had fun. I hope you did too. And that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next review or video or whatever that I upload. Bye. And I also want to test something out. If I open the doors now, is it gonna be that much better? Hello, hello, hello. Oh, there's no echo now. That is pretty cool. It's better than before for sure. That's what I noticed. Is it the closets? Testing, 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's where you hear that echo coming. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The door. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. So I think it is the closets. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2. So yes, so I do need to put more foam on the closets. That's the main area that's causing the problem now. Not the doors, because it's already padded, but the friggin' closets. So I'm gonna need a lot of pieces, guys. I'm gonna have to cover the whole thing using the foam. I'm gonna need more pieces. End of story.